Hello and welcome to another episode of Event Update, brought to you by the Association of African Universities. Event Update is all about upcoming higher education events and scholarship opportunities for African scholars. My name is Isabella Teta-Hinakwa. The Carnegie African Diaspora Fellowship Program, CADFP, a scholar exchange program for African higher education institutions, is calling for project requests from African host universities and scholars' applications from qualified African academics in the diaspora in the United States and Canada. The CADFP will host diaspora scholars for 14 to 90 days for the project in curriculum co-development, collaborative research, and graduate student teaching and mentoring. Interested applicants should be universities in Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, South Africa, Tanzania, Uganda, and member institutions of the African Research Universities Alliances, ARA, as well as diaspora scholars born in Africa who lived in the United States or Canada and work at an accredited college or university in either country. Potential host institutions can apply with a diaspora scholar in mind, and the diaspora scholars can apply to be placed on a roster for candidates for fellowship. Applicants are to apply before 4th March 2024, and for more information, visit the links or email the address on the screen. Applications are open for the 2024 Johns Hopkins Healthcare Design Competition, a competition that seeks to celebrate good design in healthcare. This is open to any student-led team that has designed solutions for advanced health systems, global health or humanitarian designs, healthcare apps or digital health, or post-surgical infection management. To be eligible, applicants must ensure that the project focuses on a healthcare application in either of the 4 tracks. The project must have been started after January 1st, 2022, must be driven by full-time students, and the project team should comprise more than 1 full-time student, which includes undergraduate, master's, doctoral, and professional degrees. Postdoc research projects and projects that are not run by full-time students are not eligible. Interested and qualified applicants should apply before 12 February 2024, and for more information, email the addresses or visit the link on the screen. The University of Nottingham, UK, in partnership with the Association of African Universities, AAU, with funding support from the British Academy, is inviting stakeholders to a writing workshop scheduled for 12 to 14th March 2024. This workshop seeks to strengthen the capacity and develop a new cohort of ECRs with skills for quality research writing for publication, develop ECRs in Sub-Saharan Africa and alumni for grant writing, establish sustainable collaborations among new ECRs, alumni, African and British institutions, increase understanding of both Global South and Global North editors of how best to support and enhance the feasibility of African scholarship, as well as allocate alumni, ECRs, and expert writing responsibilities for a special issue of the British Academy Journal and a peer-review edited book. Interested applicants should apply via the link on the screen, and for more information, email the addresses or call the numbers or visit the link on your screen. You are still watching Event Update on AAU TV, brought to you by the Association of African Universities. Follow us on our social media handles at Association of African Universities on Facebook and YouTube. Moving on. The West African Center for Cell Biology and Infectious Pathogens, WACBIP, is calling for applications for the 2024 WACBIP Biotech Innovation and Entrepreneurship Program. This initiative is designed to catalyze the emergence of groundbreaking biotech startups in Ghana and across Africa. Equip yourself with the essential tools to translate your biotech ideas into market-ready startups, as well as nurture your fledgling business with dedicated support and resources, fostering growth and sustainability. WACBIP fellows, interns, students, and alumni young biological scientists and trainees, biomedical scientists, and individuals passionate about developing biotech startups are eligible to apply. Interested applicants are to apply before 21st January 2024, and for more information, visit the link on the screen. Kofi Annan Global Health Leadership Program, an initiative launched by the African Union Commission Africa Center for Disease Control and Prevention in partnership with the Kofi Annan Foundation, is calling for applications for the 2024 Kofi Annan Global Health Leadership Program. This program targets aspirational leaders with a background in any field of public health, including but not limited to One Health, human medicine, finance, health policy, animal health, or environmental health, who want to acquire advanced skills in leading impactful health initiatives, employing health diplomacy, as well as enhance their ability to develop bold, strategic, and achievable goals to propel Africa towards achieving Agenda 2063. Applicants for the fellowship must be citizens of an African Union member state, possess a postgraduate degree in a relevant field in public health, have 10 years of professional experience in any field of public health, be a full-time employment in any area of public health, have a good track record, or be able to demonstrate the potential of effective public health leadership where they can positively impact public health outcomes of populations in Africa. All applicants must apply through the website on the screen with the completed application forms with all supporting documents, which includes letter from the current employer to confirm employment, letters of recommendation from 2 reputable and professional referees, a personal statement, maximum 400 words, providing evidence of the candidate's commitment to public health in Africa, a leadership challenge project proposal, maximum 400 words, that outline a potential leadership challenge project they will implement, which is feasible to complete within 12 months of the fellowship. For more information, email the addresses or visit the link on the screen. Applications are open for the 2024 Science for Africa Epidemic Science Leadership and Innovation Networks Epsilon to foster a vibrant ecosystem of Epsilons across Africa. These networks will nurture and promote world-class epidemic and pandemic sciences research and innovation in Africa, building a critical mass of experts across all health sectors in the continent to address ongoing health challenges while strengthening capabilities to respond to future infectious diseases and health threats, as well as contribute to developing communities of practice that may be leveraged for long-term collaboration and during future outbreaks to respond to urgent research and policy needs. Lead applicants can lead only one application, but may be co-applicants in several applications. They must be based at an eligible organization and must fulfill the following conditions: hold an academic or research post, have a salary or the guarantee of a salary for the duration of the award period, or be required by their contract of employment to have a salary. Interested applicants should apply online via the SFA Foundation Grant Agaseke Management System. And for more information, email the address or call the numbers or visit the link on the screen. And that is all for this episode. The event update is brought to you by the Association of African Universities. Don't forget to follow us on our social media handles at Association of African Universities on Facebook and YouTube, AAUTV_African Universities on Twitter, and also our dedicated website at tv.aau.org. My name is Isabella Teta Henekwa. Have a nice day.